The ARC4.UInt64 type is ARC4's version of the UInt64 type. However, you'll want to use AlgoPy.UInt64, the AVM's native UInt64 type, whenever possible. Let me show you why with an example. Here the method takes in two ARC4 UInt64 types, A and B. Just like the comment says, the construct won't compile if you try to do math operations with ARC4 UInt64 types. Instead, you'll need to follow a two-step process. First, get the native value using .native property, then perform your math operations with these native types. Now, if you want to convert it back, just wrap your native UInt64 with ARC4.UInt64 class. So when should you use ARC4 UInt64? The answer lies in more complex ARC4 types, like structs, tuples, and arrays. We'll explore these types in future videos. These complex ARC4 types can only contain other ARC4 types, so when you need to include numbers in them, you'll need to use the ARC4 UInt64 type. To summarize, stick with algopy.uint64 when there is no need for more complex data structures. Only use ARC4.uint64 when you specifically need to store numbers in ARC4 arrays, tuples, or structs. And remember, you'll need to convert to native types for any mathematical operations.